Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to play with the Hela palette, which is a collaboration between Oden's Eye times Angelica. Because the first time I used it, I fell in love with the look. So this is the palette that we're going to be playing with, and if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so for today I wanted to do a green look. So my last look I used basically these two rows here. It was more like a pink eyeshadow look. So for today's look I wanted to use these greens in these two rows. Now I'm not much of a green color wearer, so it's gonna be interesting. I'm not sure how this is what turn it's gonna take, but just bear with me. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. As always, I already have my eyebrows filled in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the dual powder in Ebony. I also primed the lids with the MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre, and I set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes. And now I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadows. So let's start with the crease. For the crease, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Moss, and I am going to grab, let's see, this Morphe times Mickey and Friends MM4. It's just a fluffy blending brush. So I'm going to grab the color Moss and apply that to the crease, and it's pretty pigmented. So I'm just going to use the mirror in the eyeshadow palette. That's a pretty color. That is a true lime, well, mossy color. It seems a little brighter on the lids, but it could have been because of the primer that I used. Just makes the colors pop a little bit. So I'm pretty content with this color on the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with Ouroboros, which is this green right here, and I'm gonna apply that color to the outer corner right here, and I'm going to use a Morphe M433 brush, so it looks like this, and I'm going to apply it again to the outer corner. Wow, the pigmentation is crazy. So I just want to keep this on the lid. I don't want to take it up into the crease because I want that mossy color to be seen. So I'm placing the color, and I'm gonna slowly, with no additional product, just blend the edges. Okay, so I'm pretty content with that color. Now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced glitter glue, which looks like this. I always go with this. before my shimmer, and I'm gonna apply the tiniest bit to the lid because I'm gonna add, of course, the shimmer. I'm just gonna add a little bit all over this lid. Okay. So now for the lid, I'm gonna go in with the color, I'm gonna go in with Venom, which is this bright green color right here. And I'm gonna apply that to the second half of the lid. Ooh, that is so pretty. And you know what? I think I'm gonna go in with my finger. Oh yeah, it applies so much better with the finger. Okay, and now I'm gonna use the color, so I'm gonna use Golden Bridge. So I'm gonna turn it over and I'm gonna use the color Golden Bridge, which is this color right here. I'm gonna apply it to this inner part right here. Oh yeah. Bring it into the Venom color so it meshes well. Now I'm gonna grab the Morphe M433, the brush that we used, the color green, the Ouroboros color, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit more of that color so I can blend these colors out. Doesn't look too choppy. Then I'm gonna grab my MM4, the blending brush. I used the moss color, and I'm just gonna blend the edges a little bit. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I don't wear green colors, but the intensity of these shadows are just perfect. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this is the eyes, and I'm content. Now I'm gonna finish off my face, and then we can come back. I'll show you the final results, and then we'll be done. So I'll be right back. And I'm back, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm sorry if this eye is a little watery. I kind of poked myself in the eye. Silly me, but yeah, what do you guys think? I really like it. I mean, it's not something that I would wear. Actually, I take that back. I would wear it for St. Patty's Day. So yeah, I think it's really pretty. The colors, the shimmers in this palette are so beautiful. So beautiful. So my last look, I used the pinky tones in these two rows. And today I used the greens in this two row. And I have to say, I really am enjoying this palette. For my inner corner, I used this. And then for my crease and the lid shimmers, I used these two right here. But man, I really enjoy this palette. If you can get your hands on this palette, I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed. I really love this look. I mean, it's green, it's bold, but I mean, it's pretty. So yeah, this is the look, the green look that I came up with using this palette, and I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, let me know what you think, and that's all for me today, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.